how to republish a Facebook page. So if you have a Facebook page that you've already unpublished, basically meaning you've hidden it for whatever reason you can always republish it again. So if you're on your main personal account, on the top right hand corner, click on the drop down arrow, go to manage page, go to the page that you want to republish again. Okay, that takes you to the main page. Now on this version of Facebook on the browser, it gives you an option to publish your page. So you can just click it here and it will publish it. But just in case it doesn't show you this, if you go to settings, click on the top right hand corner where it says settings, at the very top here of this list, it says page visibility. Click on that. And here you can change the page visibility to page published. So click on that and hit on save changes. And it confirms to you that page is published.